Today on Cold Email Teardowns, we're selling copywriting to the supplements industry. Stick around. Who am I? I'm Alex Berman. I'm the author of Cold Email Manifesto. They call me the Cold Email King. We've sent millions of emails to businesses around the world and generated over $100 million in leads for our clients. If you don't know what a cold email is, it is a superpower. It's sending emails to people that do not know you and telling them about your service. And it's an awesome way to find copywriting clients, which is specifically what we're going to talk about today. So before I show you this script, and before we tear down what this viewer sent us and build it back into something high converting that you can use to find copywriting clients, if you wouldn't mind just liking this video and subscribing down below so that more people can see this type of content and we can get the word out further. With that being said, let's jump into the video. So this is the email that the copywriter sent us who wanted to be anonymized. And here's why. It's because the email's so bad, honestly. It's just so long, so lengthy. All right, let's read this thing. Subject line: Pixated got you customers, but I can monetize them. Hi, Jane. First things first, belated congratulations. I read about the 2,461% increase in Wicked Gummy Co.'s sales with Pixated Agency on their case studies webpage. As it's been over 12 months since, I would like to help your business have another growth spurt. As an experienced web copywriter in the food supplement space, I have the capabilities to, I'm already bored. I would have deleted this. So what can we do to this email? Because it's obviously doing everything wrong. And if you don't think it's doing everything wrong, try reading it without deleting it. With that being said, let's go through the TOC. TOC is how we break down these cold emails to their bones and we build them back up. The TOC is target, offer, case study. So let's start with that. Target, gummy companies. Let's go. Supplement gummy companies. Or maybe even supplement companies. We can just even broaden it out. So the offer is basically conversion rate optimization for the website. The case study is this one. Recently, I helped a nutrition products company boost sales and blow their revenue goals out of the water. 450x increase in 2 weeks. Or whatever it is, write whatever it is. I'm just saying that because I'm just making it up because it's not me. But if this was your company, get specific with the numbers in order to actually have a shot. Maybe we boil this down to make it more realistic. We'll say a 4x increase in 2 weeks. There we go. So now, with that in mind, we can write the cold email. I would just make the subject line something simple, like quick question. And this is my default cold email subject line because it works in 70 to 80% of the cases. It'll get like an 80% open rate. Sometimes it doesn't work, and we actually have a whole list of subject lines that you can test in your cold email campaigns, over 77, which you can grab at email10k.com/subject if you want that for free. Hi, Jane. My son mentioned Wicked Gummy Co. last night, and I had to check out your website. Your product is great, but the site itself could be better. Recently, I helped a nutrition products company boost sales and grow their revenue by 4x in 2 weeks, and I'd love to do the same for you. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Anonymous. You'd put your name here, so thanks, Jeff. I know I roasted the crap out of the copywriting skills, but honestly, you deserve it, bro. If you're gonna sell copywriting, be good at copywriting. Subject, quick question. Hi, Jane. My son mentioned Wicked Gummy Co. last night, and I had to check out your website. Your product is great, but the site itself could be better. Recently, I helped a nutrition products company boost sales and grow their revenue by 4x in 2 weeks, and I'd love to do the same for you. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Jeff. If you want to learn more about lead generation, be part of a community of awesome people, and get weekly calls with me to grow your business, then check out email10k.com. Smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.